I did Clacton, a little cheeky weekend, well, one night away actually, down the seafront, travelled to Merla, over here. First stop, Wetherspoons for cheeky beer, for the toilet break. Just stopped at Wetherspoons, all some beers. Bit bright driving, so I've come back to get some jackets and coats. Well, not jackets and coats. Cardigans. That's it. Alright, let's go.
Bloody Seagulls.
Just checked in the Aviator Hotel in the pub opposite. Really done up nice actually, but it's a queue, so I go around the queue, check in at the check-in desk, and I'll show you the room 207, family room. It's really nice. Well, I say really nice, basic, but double bed, single, and a pretty up bed, and a bathroom. Well, I say really nice, it's basic, but for one night, perfect. Plenty of space. Right, time to get changed and go for a beer. We are back at the Aviator Hotel, one night away in Clacton. I think it's been renamed, so I'll have to put a note there. I'm just going to pop in the bar for a drink. Didn't get as many shots as I wanted to today down in Clacton because it's freezing flipping cold. But running here for one night, going down for a curry, get a cab, a couple of pints in the Aviator. The Aviator is really done up really nice actually, so I'm going to pop in, there's a sports bar there now, so I'll pop in a drink and find out a cab. Right, that's a little trip to Clacton done at the Aviator. It's called the Aviator, then they changed the name of it. The Aviator Hotel and Pub. Didn't do a lot of clips because it was cold and we thought. Changed the plan, we're not going to go up to the Aviator, we can go to McDonald's drive-thru and have something there. So I'll see you again later on. Hopefully I can make something out of this video, I'm not sure. Bye bye.